Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0TDI 150B horsepower edition, 75 automatic. With only 3,520 kilometres on the clock, this sleek grey beauty is loaded with top-of-the-line features. Enjoy a luxurious ride with air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, wireless charging and more. Stay safe with ABS, collision alert, lane departure warning and multiple airbags. Plus, look stylish with chrome package, privacy glass and roof rails. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification and a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.